Okay, so welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a part 2, or a 2.5, I guess, because I re-edited the first version and shortened down, took out some of the chit-chatty. And we have a problem up here in my truck's roof. And as you might have seen in that other video, the piece that goes across the top was severely damaged. And I just didn't want to use any of that. Well, I'm going to use some of that. I figured I'm going to go with something like this, approximately. And I'm going to just take a look, see what I can mark out. I'm thinking I'll just take that much. I really like to not mess with those holes, but I think it's pretty thin there, so I think I'm going to make that fit in there. I'll try to do this a little faster than the other video with a lot less noise. I haven't got a microphone yet, but I'm pretty sure you can hear me pretty clearly right now. So I'm probably going to do a lot of time lapse on this video just to avoid the noise from the grinders and stuff like that. And I hope you enjoy. It should be less than an hour long. Now, for anybody that was wondering how well that tack worked on the outside, I got this cut open. I hope you can see. I'd like to say that the tacks are pretty decent. I mean, that looks like penetration for the most part. To me, there might be the odd little tiny spot where there isn't, but it's pretty darn good, I'd say. It'll do. And that's what it does to your weld-through primer. I didn't grind all the rust off, but in all fairness, I could spray some more stuff on that if I wanted to while I got this cut open. So there's what that looks like on the inside anyways, but you might be interested. And back to the time lapsing. Well, let's see how that fits. Now that I got that cut out, I'll probably have to do some trimming. Try and keep this a little shorter than the other one. I had so much footage. And I hope I did a good job with that. I hope I'm not going to have a problem with getting the shape. Looks like I might have a little troubles. Oh goody. No, I might have a little bit of troubles. Oh, yeah, that should be fun. Not looking very nice. It's just not looking very nice. Drop that. Not looking very nice at all. I knew I didn't want to do that. But Okay, so here we go. We're going to grind some of that off. I put you guys out in the back. You're looking into your back windows so I don't spark my camera out. Okay, so I don't usually get complaints. The customer's not happy with the quality of work I did for him. He's complaining. Says I gotta make it right. There's just too much warpage right here. And I gotta make it even. So, in order to make the customer happy, I'm going to have to cut all this round and try to straighten that out a bit. And I don't know if I can or not. This piece was pretty badly damaged, as you've seen earlier in the video. And I'm going to feel the responses for that. I'm going to cut that open and I'm going to see if I can straighten that out some. I don't know if I can or not. Maybe I'll make it worse. Maybe I'll help it. I'm really not too sure. I'm going to give it a try though, and we'll see what happens. Pretty well fully committed at this point. I do believe that was the right thing to do. I think I can straighten this out quite a bit if I don't cut my fingers open on that first. Also need to do a little cut here. I don't know if that was a good idea, a bad idea or not, but I hope you're enjoying me doing my work twice, because I don't usually do stuff twice. I didn't want to do it the first time. Why would I want to do it the second time when the customer is mad and the boss is mad? You know how it is. But this time the customer is complaining, and we don't deal with that. We gotta fix that up. I'm gonna bend that. What? Bend that. With my hammer. So, yeah, well, put the gloves back on so I don't hurt myself. It's gonna be a little bit of work in this to get her to go where I want it to. Even just get it straighter. Like, even get this straighter. Get it straighter. So when it's well along, it's actually straight. And, yeah, something like that would be where I'd want to tack that now. Still got a little bending over here. I'm going to have a hard time doing anything with this, but if you bear with me, we'll, and we're going to see if we can get this a little bit straighter than it was. I sure hope so. I sure hope so. I could probably just smooth that out and call her good. I'm definitely going to do some more grinding and finishing, but I'm not going to do any body filling work. I might even just let that rust. I'll probably clean this up a little bit in the windshield opening area and treat it with something. But I don't want to lose the original whatever's left of the truck. And I'm okay with putting what's left of the originals of the other truck and letting it be there in its colors. Just to say, hey, look, that doesn't belong here. Until some guy with a welder put it here. And somebody's going to go, holy shit, somebody did all that work to that truck? Or they're not going to care and it's going to go to the scrapyard. Who knows? Who knows? Nothing's guaranteed. But if you're going to do something, do a good job.